Hi there. I'm Valentine. I'm currently in Sri Lanka. This is not what I was planning for my first YouTube video, but I did have a deadline. I wanted to post my first video on May 16th, which is today. The thing that I wanted to make, I did not make, but I was working on something else at the same time, and I thought I could reuse it also for my first video. I'm no professional videographer, and the editing was done very fast, but I am happy to finally be posting something. I was always scared to put myself on YouTube, but I always wanted to since I was like 11. Now I'm 26, so it's a 15 years in the making kind of thing. What is important is that it is here. And I guess this is just a lesson for myself, that sometimes you just have to post whatever you have, better than doing nothing. I had the pleasure of filming Vesak here in Sri Lanka, a Buddhist festival at a temple where I know the head monk. Here is a little preview. I asked Vinitha, the head monk of this temple, to tell us about Vesak.
We are going to celebrate in 2025 Vesak full moon point. When Lord Buddha was born, enlightenment and passed away. That day is considered a very important day for Buddhists around the world. Also, on a Poya day, Buddhists are encouraged to gather many meritorious deeds. We remember the virtues of Buddha in two ways: the principles offerings, the alms offering. The principles offering means the villagers early morning wear into white clothes, come to temple. They observe 8 precepts and meditation all day. The alms offerings means temples, houses, street, village, town and city, all places decorating colorful lights, Vesak lantern, candle and giving alms. We are also going to celebrating like this festival. Thank you. May the triple gem bless you.
Witnessing and being able to participate in such a celebration is really a cool experience. I don't think many people get to have it. I felt very fortunate to be able to see it and to be able to film it without feeling like you're intruding, because Vinitha was happy that I filmed. That was great. Also, the energy, how alive the temple is for the festival is very beautiful. I'm quite certain not many people will see this, but I hope those that do find it interesting. It's really an inside look at the life of the temple here. So without talking much further, I really hope you enjoy the footage.
චෛත්‍ය රාජානන් වහන්සේගේ ආලෝක පූජාව සිද්ධ කරනු ලබන්නේ ඒ අපේ එල්ලේ ඉන්ද්‍රාණී ඉස්කෝලේ හාමිනේ ඒ වගේම එල්ලේ සමන්ති වෛද්‍යාධාරකමයන් තමයි ඒ ප්‍රධාන දායකත්වයේ වාරණ කටයුතු කරන්නේ මේ වෙලාවේදී විදුලි ආලෝකය සිදු කරන හැටියට සිහිපත් කරනවා. හරි පෙළගැසෙන්නේ Dutiyampi dhammang saranang gacchami Dutiyampi sanghang saranang gacchami Tatiyampi buddhang saranang gacchami.
So now you watched it. I'm surprised. Not because the topic is not interesting, it's insanely interesting, but more so because my editing is not top-notch and I think my storyline definitely suffers. I'm feeling horribly awkward with the camera, so I am very impressed if you watched to the end. Thank you. It means a lot. You can like, comment, subscribe also. I hope to see you next Friday. And I hope there is a next video. Okay. Bye bye.